fuck, my friend just fucking stacked it.
G'day guys, Urban Z here. Welcome to a new YouTube video on the channel. So today, I'm sure you guys have seen the thumbnail and the title, we are going on some Togue. So we've brought a few extra tires with us in case we decide to have a little stop off at Mexico, which we probably will, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're going to test the limits of the mighty AU Falcon today, see how she goes around some corners. Yeah, first things first, we're going to get some fuel and then we're going on a road trip, so see you then. Right, full tank of 98 and we're joined by our friend David in his Audi.
This is a tight corner, holy fuck. Smashes 5k. Fuck.
So this is the part in the video where everything went wrong. I looked in my back rearview mirror and I literally saw my friend's car like nearly flying off the edge of the cliff around the corner.
Oh fuck, my friend just fucking stacked it. Oh fuck. Holy fuck. Holy shit. My friend just fucking crashed.
Fuck!
Fuck, bro. Fuck, man.
The stick and I lost control. Do you have a rope?
Yeah, I do actually.
Why is it smoking?
Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna tow you, bro. I don't have anything to tow off. I don't have anything to tow off, bro.
Do you have a rope?
Yeah, I got a rope. Fuck, man.
Fuck. Yeah, I hit the fucking log over there.
Did you hit the poles?
No, it was on the road.
Holy fuck.
I didn't fucking see it. I was going like... Dude.
Fuck, man. At least the car's unscathed, but there's Huh?
As much as I can see, the car isn't...
The car isn't fucked, but like we're gonna have to call someone, bro, because like the only way you're getting this out is with a four-wheel drive. My car's not gonna be able to do it. No, you didn't hit anything straight on. You just kind of like slipped out.
Yeah.
Pretty close to going off the edge here.
I know, that's what I was fucking afraid of. Do you reckon...
Are you good?
I'm trying to get out.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Alright boys, so the fucking Audi that David owns, the responsible man, nearly went off the cliff. So pretty much he was going around that corner down over there, going about 70.
60 actually.
60, 70, hit the corner a little bit too fast, started slipping out on these leaves here, and we've ended up in this predicament. The car is fine somehow, I'm not sure how.
It's barely touching the tree as well.
But we've got a strap for it. We're just waiting on a mate to get us out of this predicament, but no good. So we're gonna go to the top of the mountain and see if anyone can help us out, because I don't think the AU's gonna get the Audi out of that predicament. So see if any 4Bs can help us out. We found a lovely bloke that's gonna help us get us out in these Hilux. So to a drive, let's see if this works. Doesn't have low range, but we'll give it a go.
I got my boot. Right.
You ready? Leave it in neutral for now, and then once you start getting straight, give it a reverse and give it a bit of gas. All right, he's going now. Oh yeah, you're fucking bottomed out here, I think. Alright, it shouldn't bottom out now. David, I think you might have to actually swing it, chuck it in reverse and just try and accelerate it a bit. Alright, ready when you are. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Stop, stop, stop. Fuck. Fuck me.
Fuck.
well, could have been a lot worse than just a front panel, and your bar's fine actually. Is the headlight cracked? The bracket broke though.
Yeah. No, I got.
Got a duct tape never hurt nobody, David, eh?
Yeah. Certified duct tape and stuff.
Actually came out alright. Fucking front guard, headlight, and side view mirror. Right boys, we're back on the road. The Audi has survived. It still drives. You know, considering he nearly went off the fucking edge of the fucking mountain, he's done alright, you know? It could have been a ridden off car. Thanks again if the guys watching for that tow, appreciate that. But yeah, I guess we continue on. It's people learn lessons, you know, things like that happen. You just got to be a little bit careful on the road sometimes. It's a friendly reminder to any of you guys driving, or you know, just drive within your limits. Make sure you're doing it in a safe space and all that stuff. But yeah, speaking of that, let's hit some Togue, and we're about to go to Mexico. See a cheeky little corner. Might have to skid it. Got that one alright. And we've made it to Mexico, boys, so here we are.
Cap. Shotgun first.
Scott. I have PTSD, man.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck. At least it's off the thread, that's alright. Alright. Right guys, we've now just left Mexico and we're back on the Togue on the way home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips. A few tires were blown in the making of this video, but yeah, it's been great. The diff is very not happy with me, so I was planning on changing it anyways. I think the axles are a bit fucked, but yeah, let's hit some Togue on the way home and then we should be all sorted. So enjoy. Holy fuck. That sun's very bright. Holy shit. Amazing at night because there wouldn't be any people, so you gotta watch out for people like that and cars from the opposite way, so can't really go too crazy. That sun is very bright. I might chuck that up. And right guys, that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed as much as I have. So I'll see you guys on the next video. It's been great. Make sure to let me know what you think about it down below in the comments, and like it if you did and dislike it if you don't, and guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao. Bro, I got tire in my back.
I thought the back right was like,
God,
it was coming through the
it fucking exploded. Holy fuck. How is it not fully blown yet? I literally have tire shavings on me.